Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a collaboration and the name of the collaboration is Wild For Floral Arrangements and it's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Jennifer at Home and it's co-hosted by me, Soniadownsouth. So guys, I'm going to be decorating a wreath for springtime. I'm going to put it on my front door with some spring flowers in it. So as you can see now, I'm putting my flowers on, but I'm not going to be hot gluing them or putting them on with wires. I'm going to just be securing them on with their stems. I'm going to wrap the stems around the wreath and just make sure that it's tight enough and secure enough. But the reason I'm doing that is because at the end of the summer, I probably want to take all the decoration off and save the wreath for the fall and maybe do something different in the fall with the wreath. So I will have it secured, but it won't be permanent on the wreath. Okay, while picking out my flowers for this arrangement for this wreath, I decided to go with a variety of colors for the springtime because a lot of different color flowers grow out in spring and also different type of flowers grow out in spring. So I decided to do a variety of colors and a few different types as well on my wreath so that it did look more festive and more spring-like. Okay guys, you may see my shirt has changed and that's because this is day 2 of my video. I stopped on after I put the pink roses in and I had something, an errand I had to run. So I decided to finish up the next morning. So that's what you're seeing now and I'm putting on the yellow flowers. I want my wreath to be very festive in color, so I chose different type of flowers and different colors, and I'm going to put them all in so they could really look really lively and spring-like, but also I want to keep them for the summer, so that you're going to see a variety of colors and types of flowers in my wreath. Here, guys, I took out some of the dark pink roses and I replaced them with some light pink tulips because I think I had a little too many of the dark pink in it. I wanted to brighten it up a little more, so I changed it to lighter pink tulips. And then I'm going to add some white tulips as well to just bring out some more colors in the wreath. Okay, guys, here's my finished product. It says Hello Spring. It's a floral arrangement for spring, and I put it on my front door. And for those of you who want to know how I put the flowers on, I just use the stem to twist it around the base of the wreath and secure it as tight as you can so that it would last. And then you can always take it right off. I hope that you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed doing it. Don't forget to go over to the other ladies' channels and watch their floral arrangements as well. And thank you for watching. May God bless you. May God keep you.